Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Marhaban. My sisters and brothers, last time we were discussing and our lesson was about the harakat and the single harakat mean fatha, kathra and dhamma. And today inshallah we will learn about the tanween. What is the tanween? Tanween is the two fatha, two kathra and two dhamma is called tanween. And tanween, the next name is the ghunna. And what is the ghunna? The hidden sound in the nose is called the tanween. And if after the hamza and ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha and lam and ra, there will be this letter and tanween, there will be not a ghunna, not taken the ghunna. And the remaining letter we will take the ghunna. And now we are starting. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Mim to fatha man. Just imagine there will be the, when we are pronouncing the tanween, the sound is go on in the nose. Man. Mim to fatha man. Mim to kathra min. Mim to dhamma mun. Man, min, mun. Ba to fatha ban. Ba to kathra bin. Ba to dhamma bun. Ban, bin, bun. Waw to fatha wan. Waw to kathra win. Waw to dhamma wun. One, win, wun. And the same way. Fan, fin, fun. Than, thin, sun. Than, thin, dun. Dhun, dhin, dhun. Zan, zin, zun. San, sin, sun. Son, sin, sun. Tan, tin, tun. Dan, din, dun. Tron, trin, trun. Ron, rin, run. Nan, nin, nun. Lan, lin, lun. Lon, lin, lun. Yan, yin, yun. Shan, shin, shun. Jan, jin, jun. Kan, kin, kun. Qon, qin, qun. Khon, khin, khun. Ghon, ghin, ghun. Han, hin, hun. An, in, un. Han, hin, hun. An, in, un. That's enough, inshallah. Today's lesson is enough, and inshallah we will learn in the next lesson the combination of the harakat and tanween. Jazakallahu khairan. Ma'as salama. إلى اللقاء وداعا. Have a nice day.